Hello guys, today we will learn how to make a portfolio website with Canva. So we will make a portfolio website. By portfolio we can show our skills, projects, and we can describe ourselves, so we can connect with the world. So we will make a portfolio website with Canva. We will make all the designs, templates with Canva. So let's see how to do this. See the portfolio website that I have created. So this is the portfolio website. This is the home page. I have mentioned name, title, and image. And then this is the about section, and this is the technical skills. I have mentioned the technical skills with image and title and horizontal bar graph, then vertical bar graph for more technical skills. Then the professional skills with the donut chart and percentage values, and it is all hoverable graph. When we hover it, then it animates. And this is the project section. I have mentioned the project with image and title. And then finally we have contact form. Anyone can reach me with this contact form. Then let's go to the home section again, and I have mentioned email, GitHub, LinkedIn, Facebook. When we click on it, then it is clickable and it can directly reach to the website. Like GitHub, this is the GitHub portfolio website. This is the GitHub. And LinkedIn website. Anyone can reach by clicking on it. So this is the LinkedIn, and then Facebook, and this is the box of resume. When we click on it, then we can see the resume. So this is how for first page, and then about section, then skills, then projects. So this is how a portfolio looks like. So let's see how to make this. Let's search for Canva, and this is the let's search. This is the Canva website. Let's enter. We can make different things from Canva website, like YouTube thumbnail, doc, whiteboard, presentation, social media, and videos. But we will make a website. So let's click on website. This is the website. We can select different layouts and styles, and we have lots of options available for website, and lots of designs also available. And these are the layouts, like and these are styles and colors. And we can also change the color palettes and combination. We can manage the combinations. There are lots of things we can do. Let's select the this template. I will add this template. So let's select this, and now we will add this. Let's make the first page of our portfolio website, that is home page. So we will convert this page into this page. So let's delete this photo, and now let's select the circular frame section. I will upload my photo in circular frame section. So let's go to elements, and here we will find circular frame, and here is the circular frame. So let's select this, and now let's position this. Okay, so let's delete this, and I will add my name here. So let's delete this. Okay, let's add the name. We can manage a font style, there are lots of font style, and we can manage also font sizes. So let's convert this into bold style. Let's select all the characters and click on bold button. So now our words change into bold. So this is how it's look, and now let's add links here. And this is circular white box. We will add our links like GitHub, Facebook, and let's select this. Let's copy this. Let's ungroup this, and and we can manage this, make duplicates of this box. Like click on duplicate, let's click on duplicate, and there are 4 duplicates we required. So here is the duplicates, and we can delete this. So let's position this out. There are 4 links we required: email, GitHub, Facebook, and we can check the margins like 30 to 30, so it will looks good. We can adjust these margins. This must be in equal distance to each other. This is showing the correct margins, and it will be also in centered line. Let's also duplicate this text, and we have 4 texts also here. Now let's add first section: email, then GitHub, then LinkedIn, and then Facebook. Let's position this in center. Okay, so here it's look like it's all good now. It is a always it's, let's send in bold style. Let's also make this duplicate. Now I will add these job titles or positions: AI, data science. Let's decrease the size. Now let's change the color. Let's decrease more. Let's change the color size, this colors, and now it's this is how it's looking. Let's delete these extra things. Now we need to add a resume section, resume box here, but before it, let's upload the image. I have my image here, or we can also upload from here. So let's select this image, and when you go to frame, then it automatically select it. Select the correct position. Now we have adjustment parameters in Canva, so we can manage the position, correct position. Now add a resume box here. Let's copy this, and we can manage different color, but we want exactly this color. So this is the color now. I think this may be the color. Yes. Let's copy this. Copy or duplicate. Now add a resume. So we have done all the sections. Let's adjust this. Adjust these fonts. Let's adjust these fonts size. We have different font styles like Times New Roman, Inter, Poppins. There are lots of font styles we can select from here. Let's select one of the font style. I think this is looking good. Let's adjust this. And one thing is looks good. If we don't do uh, variation in fonts, then it's look good. If we choose single font style, then it's look good. So let's adjust the size, and let's adjust this also. I think this is looking good. Let's middle this so it's looking center, and now it's looking good. Let's adjust these links boxes, and this is a group ungroup function. With the group we can select all the element of that thing, of that object. Like this is group, and we can select and copy anywhere. If we ungroup this, then only the only the box will select. So this is the function, group function, will help us to select all the elements in that particular thing. Now let's add the links of these boxes like LinkedIn, GitHub. Let's add the links. First I need to ungroup this, and now let's add the links. Let's go to the GitHub website. This is my GitHub. Let's copy the URL of this, and now let's right click on it, and this is the link section. I will add link here. This is the link, and let's done it. Okay, there is a link copy on the box, but I need to copy on the GitHub text. So let's repeat this operation, and let's again click on it, and let's paste the link again, and now it's done. So there is an underline uh, below the GitHub. So whenever we click on it, and it directly go to the GitHub website. So this is the resume, and let's copy the resume. I have uploaded my resume on G Drive, so I can copy the link from here. So let's copy the link. Let's remove the restriction so anyone can see the resume. Let's add a resume here. Now resume link is added. Whenever we click on it, then it goes to the resume. So this is how we add links. So we have created our first page, and now let's create the second page, that is the home page. So this is the home page, and let's create this. Let's add the page. So this is the page. Now let's change the color of this page. We can add the page from here, over here also. Now we need to change the color, and we need to match the color with the similar color with the front page. Now let's go to the background color, and there are lots of options we can choose. We need to match the similar color with this. So I think this is looking good, but let's check other colors. I think this combination is looking good, so let's select this. Now it's add a text. So I have mentioned the text in this txt file, so let's copy this text from here, and let's select the text. Let's go to subheading, add a subheading, and now let's paste our text here. Let's decrease the size of the text, and let's adjust this in the center position so it will look good. We can manage the size, font size. Now it's looking good. Let's add a heading section. Let's write about. Okay, Let's paste on this. Okay, now let's select this again, and okay, now it's looking good. Let's increase the size of this. We can adjust different sizes. Now it's looking good. So we have created the second section, that is the about section. And now let's create the technical skills. Now we need to add skills with this bar graph. Now let's make this horizontal bar graph for technical skills. So we will make this horizontal bar graph for showing the technical skills. This is how it will looks like. So let's add another page and go to element section. In element section we will get different graph and charts. So let's select this bar graph, and now let's delete the series to item because we are only having one item. So let's add the title of series 1 like skills. Let's add skills here. Let's rewrite these skills, and in the label section we need to add skills name like Python, HTML, CSS. Let's add them. You can manage this graph according to your preference. So I have added all the skills name, and now let's add the percentage value so it will look different from each other. So I have arranged these in decreasing order, but you can arrange in any order. So let's add the values. We can write any value here. It's depend on the numbers or units. This is how it's looking. Let's delete the series 2 items. Now this is how it's looking like. Let's remove the grid lines from this graph. Let's off the grid lines. Now it's okay. Let's change the color of the bars. We just go to the and just select the bold style of fonts. We can add on data labels, but let's now select the color change, and this is how changing colors look like. And now let's decrease the size. Let's position this in the middle part of the page. Let's increase the little bit size of the fonts. So this is how it's looking. It's looking like nice. And then now let's add the logos like Python logos and the skills logos. So we need to add the logos in front of bars. So I have uploaded the logos images. You can download from anywhere, and I have uploaded. So let's select these logos one by one. Let's select this Python logo. And let's position these logos in front of bars, their name bars. We just need to position in the correct criteria or position, adjust these sizes of these logos so it will look good. So this is how it's looking, and we need to add all the logos. This is how we will add logos here. Adjust size according to the bar size. So we have made this bar graph, horizontal bar graph. When we adjust this, then the logos will overlap this. So make sure you will adjust these carefully before adjusting these logos. Make sure you position the bar graph properly because it will overlap the logos. So we have made the three sections: about section, home section, and technical skill section. Now we need another bar graph, vertical bar graph for another skills. So let's add another page. Now we will add a vertical bar graph. So let's go to the again in element section. Let's select this vertical bar graph. The procedure will remain the same. Let's delete this series 2. Now let's select the skills. So this is how it will look. So now let's select the skills name. Let's add them quickly. Now let's add the numbers or percentage according to the skills. Okay, now it's perfect. Now let's also remove the grid lines from here also. Let's change the color. Now let's position this in the center. We can edit more parameters in the graph, more series values. We can use multiple graph also to showcase skills. And let's reduce the size. Now let's adjust this. Let's reduce the size. Now again we have to add the logos in the top of the bars. But before, let's position in the middle part. Now here we will add logos on the top of the bars. So this is how we will add logos. Now let's add this donut chart for professional skills. So I have added another page and go to element section. Here we will get the our donut chart. So select this and this is the donut chart. Let's select the items, labels. Okay, I have selected all the labels and return here. So this is how it is looking, and let's delete unnecessary label here, and let's delete this. So this is our donut chart is looking like. The procedure is the same which we have done in the previous graph. So we can change the color of donut section parts. There are four colors. There are according to the skills. And let's add the heading now. Professional skills. Let's position this heading. So this is how our donut chart is looking. Adjust this more. Now let's increase the font size. Let's position this in the center line. I think it's good now. So now our donut chart is added. If we want to change the color, then we can also change the colors. And now it's project section. So let's add another page. So here we will add our projects. First we will upload project image, then below the project image we will upload the project description. We can download uh, images related to our project from internet. So let's select the image. This is the image I will select, and now let's adjust or paste in correct position. Let's position this, and okay, now let's select the text. Go to text and go to add a text box. Now copy the text from here, copy this and paste in this text box. Let's unbold the remaining section. Let's unbold this. Now let's adjust the size. Let's correct this. Okay, so adjust this text box according to the image size. Now it's looking good. We can also adjust the alignments. Now let's add another project. Let's duplicate this so we don't need to add another text box. Now let's unbold this. So this is how it is looking, and two images must be same size so it will look good or similar. So let's adjust the sizes of image. The line spacing shows the correct path or section of these images. This line showing correct alignments. So I have created this project section. It's now completed. So we have created these sections of technical skills, about professional skills. Now let's add another section for skills that is in table format. So let's add this also. So we can find tables in the element section. These are the tables. So select these tables, and now let's arrange these according to the project. So we have only 3 projects, so let's arrange this. Let's delete rows that are not required. Let's increase the size of little bit. Now we need to adjust this, and let's there must be equal size of 3 columns. Okay, now it's looking good. Let's adjust a little bit. Okay, it's now perfect. Let's arrange this in the center part. Okay, now we can add the projects. So let's copy the title first. Now let's upload the image. In this way we can show 3 projects in a single page, or if you want we can show multiple projects by decreasing the font size or image size. Check the alignment, so image must be in same alignment of each other. It must be in similar size for to each other. Now it's perfect. Now let's add the description of the projects. We can increase the text size or table column size or row size, so we can add easily description of the project. We have different adjustment parameters in Canva, and that will help us to manage these things easily. Now it's completed, and let's add description in these 2 projects. I have completed this thing, and this is how it is looking. So this is how our portfolio website is looking now. We have only one thing to add from here. We have almost done with our portfolio website. Now let's add this contact form, so anyone can contact. Let's add this contact form. Search for jot form, and this is the website where we can get the contact forms. This is the website. Let's click on it, and let's search for form templates. Click on form templates, and here search for contact form. Just search contact, and these are the contact forms available. Choose one of the form and use this template. This is the template of contact form. We can edit or manage the details. Go on settings. These are settings, and These are the settings we can do. And let's go to settings, and when we go to publish, here is the URL of the form. So let's copy the URL, and here we need to add this URL. So go to text and select any text, and let's click on three dots and then link. So let's copy the link of the form, and now let's copy the link and go to edit link and select embed. So it will show our form. This is how our forms is looking. In this way we can add contact form in the portfolio website. Let's add the animation in these pages. So we can add animation from here, like animate. So we can choose different options for animation. There are lots of animations like rise, faint, pan, fade, and pop, wipe. So these are the options for animation, and let's choose one option, like I think rise is good. So let's select rise for all the animations. We can choose different combination for different pages. So this is how it will animate, and how this is how it will look. Let's add the animation in all the pages, and then we will preview the website how it will look. So let's preview the website. Let's click on preview. So this is how it will look. This is the pages. This is how it will animate. Okay, and we can also view this website in mobile view. This is how it will look in mobile. There will be some difference between mobile view and system view because of the font size and alignments. This is how it will look. And now I have also made another website. Let's see that website also. So this is my another website, another portfolio website, and let's see this in another page. So this is my another website that I created from Canva. So this is how it is looking. We can also create this website in similar way. We create this website. Our website is ready. So one thing we need to add here, that the page titles. So let's see what is page title. So let's click on preview. So these are the page titles on the top section, like home, about, skills. Whenever we click on these like projects, so we shift to that project section. Like when we click on contact, then we shift on contact section. So let's see how to add this. Let's click on notes, and here is the page one. Page one title is, let's change the page one title. This is the title. So we have changed the title of page one, and here is the changes. So this is how we add title of the pages. Let's change this again. First page is home, and this is about page. Page 2 is about, and then is skills, then again skills, then this is the project. Page 6 is projects, and then page 9 is contact. So this is how we add the title of the pages. So let's learn how to publish this website. So let's click on share, and in this share let's click on website. So let's click on this website button. So here we will get our URL. Let's click on publish website. This is preparing the link of the website. So our website is now published. Let's copy the URL of this website, and now let's paste this URL. Now our portfolio website is live, and this is how it is looking. So we have added all the sections and the titles bar, and all the sections are working properly. This is how we deploy or live our website. That's it from this video, guys. If you learned something new from this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.